Hi everyone, and this is Math 130 for our ePortfolio. So in order to look at the assignment, to make sure that you understand what the assignment is all about and what ePortfolios are, why I'm requiring ePortfolios. First of all, let's just take a look at enrolling in the workshops so that you can understand how to create the ePortfolio. Once we learn how to create the ePortfolio, then the following week I will go over some of the techniques and why it's important to have an e-portfolio. I'm not taking any specific time. Obviously, this is an online class, so I'm taking the time now to make sure that you enroll in a workshop. All right, so let's take a look at the e-portfolio assignment. All right, if you go to assignments and then click into week 3, September 10th, which was last week, scroll down until you see e-portfolio. All right, and I am going to have a separate link for these two. Okay, but we're going to do the welcome page and the about me page. All right, and these are all the instructions that you need to post for your ePortfolio. This is a draft, and your ePortfolio, your first draft is not due. Your first draft is due on at 11 p.m. on Monday, October the 29th. So you have time. So what I want you to do right now is everyone, once you watch this video, I want you to enroll in the ePortfolio workshops. Okay? So I'm not certainly going to take you over to the C559 to do the workshops. This is an online class, so you go whenever you're ready. Sorry, I went into the wrong page. Go into your Hostos website, log in. You see where the login is? As soon as you see the Hostos website, log in, click in. For students, ePortfolios. Right. So now when you get into the, this is the Digication site. This is not Blackboard now. All right, so you're in ePortfolio Digication. Click into Student Workshops. Sorry, my computer's taking a little longer than it should. So, and at some point you're going, well, here we are. Okay, so September 10th is gone. So if we look at the, we have an ePortfolio workshop from 3:30 to 4:30 on September 20th. Okay, you have other ePortfolio workshop on September the 28th, which is a Friday. All right, you also have October 3rd, etc. Okay, so the other October days in October, you use the down click chevron. Sorry it's taking so long, but you also have October 19th. So you have a number of days and a number of times. So let's say, okay, you certainly can't go, October 23rd is the last, and that is cutting it very close for your Monday, October 29th due date. But if that's what you need to do, that's what you need to do. So when you want to when you want to schedule an ePortfolio, let's say you're going to do the October 23rd. Click in, you see how you click in? ePortfolio. Again, I cannot, I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm the teacher. All right, so this is what's going to look like. Let's see if I can find something else. I might not be able to do anything because as the teacher, they blocked me out. That's exactly what they did. Okay. But you get the idea that you have to go into ePortfolio, Hostos website, scroll down to Login under Students ePortfolio. So let's see if I can get into here. If not, yeah, see, I can't do this. But you'll be able to see that down at the bottom, right down here, you have to use your Hostos email login. Not your CUNY ID, not your CUNY First or anything like that. So you must have access to your Hostos email, your Hostos user ID email, and your Hostos pass ID, your Hostos email password. Have to look at Hostos email, the way you log into email. If you do not log into your Hostos email and you have no idea what it is, you have to go to C595 and have the text help you over there. The text in C559 only can help you with the ePortfolio. They don't have access to CUNY First or Blackboard or your Hostos email. They only have access to Digication. all right, with the ePortfolio, all right? So that when you do finally get into your Hostos login, students, ePortfolios, okay? Remember you have to use your Hostos email ID or username. Okay, so this is mine, okay, and this is my password. I use this all the time. Log in. And when you get into, this is now Digication, this is not the workshops. When you get in, you'll see computer literacy. Okay, you click in because there's nothing there right now. All right, because you haven't been added in, and your teacher will be able, the tech tutor will be able to help you. All right, so that when you get back to, okay, your ePortfolio, all right, once you get in, click into computer literacy. This is where you're going to be. You need the password, all right, for your ePortfolio for this class, okay, and that password is computers. See it right here? It's computers, all right? So when the tech asks you what's your password, you'll have to tell him it's computers, all right? Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? Make sure you put it in the discussion board under ePortfolios, all right? And make sure that you log in and schedule a workshop before October the 29th, because that is when the first draft of the ePortfolio is due. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you and have a good day and a good evening. Bye-bye.